incredible Mimi Chanchuan. Yeah. Now, Brandon. Get it, Brandon. You want to jump? Want her to jump over you? Go into laying position. Laying position. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Make him lay on his back.
On his back.
On the back.
Stomach.
On your tummy.
Like that.
She doesn't step on his tummy.
Go like that, okay?
Stay like that.
Okay, it's okay.
You're okay? You look like a dead victim.
Come on, Evie.
Stay there, Brandon. Don't move. Put your foot down.
Oh, she's tired.
Brandon, put your legs down. No, put your head down. Put your head down.
Put your head down. Put your feet down.
Am I overdressed?
Actually, you look rather dashing.
Bye.
Good job, Brandon. Thumbs up.
You won't be dining with us
Bye.
tonight.
Bye, Crystal.
Aw.